How to invest in real estate with little money on Fundrise. Unlocking the door to real estate investment, even with limited funds, is now within reach, thanks to the innovative platform Fundrise. If you've ever dreamt of dipping your toes into the lucrative waters of real estate, but hesitated due to financial constraints, Fundrise might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. With as little as $500, you can step into the realm of real estate investing through Fundrise's user-friendly interface and expert guidance. Whether you're a seasoned investor seeking to expand your portfolio or a newcomer eager to explore new avenues of wealth creation, Fundrise opens doors that were once thought closed to many. So, what exactly is Fundrise? It's an online platform revolutionizing real estate investment by pooling resources from multiple individuals to acquire and manage a diverse array of high-quality properties. From residential havens to commercial hotspots and mixed-use marvels, Fundrise offers a slice of the real estate pie to all, without the hefty price tag or the headaches of property management.